الدرس الرابع حروف الجر. Lesson 4 prepositions. So in this lesson we're going to learn some common prepositions and the rules that a word goes through, or the rules for a word when a preposition comes. What happens to that word when a preposition comes before it. So the first part here, al-baytu, we know that means the house, and the ending, as you can see, is dhamma, al-baytu. Now, the first preposition we're going to learn is fi. Fi means in. Now, the word fi, when it comes before al-baytu, the dhamma becomes kasra, al-bayti. And the reason is because the word al-baytu is in the state of marfu' first. Let's learn this as marfu'. And what does marfu' mean? Marfu' means the main sign of the word is dhamma. It's marfu'. Alright. Now when the fi comes, which is a preposition, marfu' becomes majroor. Marfu' becomes majroor. And majroor means the main sign is kasra. And one of the ways in which a word becomes majroor is if it is preceded by a preposition, a harf jar. If a harf jar comes before a noun, then the noun which is after the preposition will be in the state of majroor, and the main sign of majroor is kasra. That's why al-baytu becomes fil bayti. Likewise, al-masjidu, which means the mosque, fil masjidi, in the mosque. Al-maktabu, the desk. And another preposition we're going to learn, harf jar, is ala. Ala means on. Ala al-maktabi, on the desk. As-sariru, the bed. Ala as-sariri, on the bed. Next, we have some questions and answers. Aina Muhammadun? Where is Muhammad? Huwa fil ghurfati. He is in the room. Where huwa means he, fi al ghurfati, in the room. So as you can see, normally we would say al ghurfatu, but because it's coming after fi, we would say al ghurfati. Wa aina Yasirun? And where is Yasir? Huwa fil hammami. He is in the bathroom. And hammam, originally hammam means bathroom. And although people call it toilet and washroom now, let's keep it bathroom here because it's another word that comes later with the meaning of specifically toilet. So al-hammam, we can say bathroom. Although keep in mind that it can be used to mean washroom or toilet and the likes. Wa ayna aminatu? And where is Amina? Now here notice, for men or boys or male we say Muhammadun Yasirun. For female we say Aminatu with only a dhamma. So that is a rule that we need to keep in mind, that female nouns end with one dhamma, not two. Wa ayna Aminatu? And where is Amina? Hiya fil matbakhi. She is in the kitchen. Matbakh means kitchen. Ayna al-kitabu? Where is the book? Huwa ala al-maktabi. It is on the desk. Now the word huwa, so far we've used huwa for Muhammad, Yasir, so human beings. Here we're using it for book. And the thing is that we can use these pronouns for both humans and non-humans. So, but depending on if it's a human or non-human, the translation changes. If it's a human being, we will say he. And if it's a non-human being, we will say it. So huwa ala al-maktabi, it is on the desk. Ayna sa'atu? Where is the watch? Now here we say hiya ala sariri, because watch is female. So we say hiya, although hiya means she generally, here it would mean it. Hiya ala sariri, it is on the bed. Coming to the tamarin exercises, based on what we just covered, ajib anil as'ilatil atiya, answer the following question. So let's say, so how do we say where is the book? We say aina al kitabu. So let's go from English to Arabic now. Where is the book? Aina al kitabu. It is on the desk. When we want to say it is on the desk, we say huwa ala al maktabi. As we said, it can either mean huwa or hiya, depending on if it's male or female. So here kitab is male, so we say huwa. Where is Muhammad? Aina Muhammadun? He is in the room, we say huwa fil ghurfati. Always make sure the word after preposition, you need to give it a kasra, give it the e sound, because preposition makes the word after it, harf jar makes the word after it ism majroor, it makes it majroor. Where is the watch? Aina sa'atu? See sa'atu with a dhamma. It is on the bed. Here, we say here because sa'atu is female. Hiya ala sariri. Where is Yasir? Aina Yasirun? He is in the bathroom. Huwa fil hammami. Huwa fil hammami. So he's in the bathroom. هو في الحمام. He's in the bathroom. Number 5. أين آمنة? Where is Amina? So she is in the kitchen. هي في المطبخ. She is in the kitchen. So here is she في المطبخ, in the kitchen. Is Amina in the room? آمنة في الغرفة? No, she is in the kitchen. لا هي في المطبخ. So this question, is Amina in the room? We use a hamzatul istifham. آمنة. We've learned this in the first lesson. So آمنة في الغرفة would mean, is Amina in the room? لا, no, and always this question is yes or no. So the answer is لا, no, هي في الغرفة مطبخي. She is in the kitchen. Is Yasir in the kitchen? أياسر في المطبخ? No, he is in the bathroom. لا, هو في الحمام. Who is in the room? من في الغرفة? محمد is in the room. So محمد في الغرفة. Next one we have, and who is in the bathroom? And how do we say this one? ومن في الحمام? Yasir is in the bathroom. ياسر في الحمام. What is on the desk? Now here what, we'll say ماذا on the desk. على المكتب. The book is on the desk. الكتاب على المكتب. Now what is on the bed? ماذا على السرير? The watch is on the bed. الساعة على السرير. Next is so now we've seen how to read the words normally and when prepositions come. So normally you would read it with the dhamma at the end, and when prepositions comes, we read it with kasra at the end. So based on this, we have the next exercise. اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Read and write with the correct ending vowels on the words. So focus. Now here we need to make sure that if there is harf jar, we're gonna read it with kasra. If not, we read it with dhamma. So the school, there's no preposition before it. So al-madrasatu. In the school, fil madrasati. In the house, fil bayti. So all of them we have prepositions. Now just the house, we say al baytu. The room, al ghurfatu. The bathroom, al hammamu. In the kitchen, we have in preposition. So fil matbakhi. The desk, al maktabu. On the desk, ala al maktabi. On the chair, ala al kursiyi. The bed, as-sariru. On the book, ala al-kitabi. In the mosque, fil masjidi. Now to read and write, these are exercises. So we'll be trying to translate from English to Arabic with the correct endings. That's the most important thing in this lesson. Along with learning the words and framing the sentences, we also need to make sure that we know the exact ending. So the student is in the university. So keep in mind, any word with preposition before it will have an ending of kasra. Other than that, you'll have a dhamma. It's very simple as that. So the student, we will say at-talibu, because there's nothing before it, no preposition. In the university, we're going to say fil jami'ati kasra, because of the fi. The man is in the mosque. Ar-rajulu fil masjidi. Where is the businessman? Ayna at-tajiru. He is in the shop. هو في الدكان. The pen is on the desk. القلم على المكتب. Where is Zainab? أين زينب? See now here, no, we don't say Zainabun because Zainab is female. Only one dhamma. She is in the room. هي في الغرفة. Where is the paper? أين الورق? Paper is الورق. It is on the desk. هو على المكتب. We use هو here because the ورق, no, it does not have ta marbuta, so it's male. So هو على المكتب. See مكتبي after حرف جر. Where is the teacher? أين المدرس? He is in the class. هو في الفصل. Where is ياسر? أين ياسر? He is in the toilet. A toilet, we're going to use a new word المرحاض. So هو في المرحاض. مرحاض. So we have حمام and مرحاض. حمام is originally it means the place where you take bath. And mirhad would be specifically toilet. The sun and the moon are in the sky. Ash-shamsu wal-qamaru fi as-sama'i. See everything except as-sama ending with dhamma because as-sama is preceded by a harf jar. Who is in the class? We say man fil fasli. So here is a comparison between male and female names. So as you can see, we're going to read the male names first. Muhammadun, Khalidun, Hamidun, Yasirun, Ammarun, Sa'idun, Aliyun, Abbasun. All of them have tanween dhamma. Now for female names, they only have one dhamma: Aminatu, Zainabu, Fatimatu, Maryamu, Aishatu, Khadijatu, Safiyatu, Ruqayyatu. There are more rules to male and female nouns, which we're going to learn later. But for now, what you need to know is that male nouns end with tanween dhamma and female names end with one dhamma. So here is an exercise based on this. We have to put the correct vowels to it. So for male nouns we put tanween, and for female nouns we put only dhamma. So for male nouns, tanween dhamma. So Hamidun, Zainabu, female name. Aminatu, this is male name. So Ammarun, Sa'idun, and two female names here: Fatimatu, Maryamu. We have three male names here: Aliyun, Khalidun, Abbasun. Female Aishatu. Male Muhammadun. And two female: Safiyatu, Khadijatu. Now this is the second part. Here we have two prepositions, and that is min and ila, from and to. Al-baytu, the house. Min al-bayti, from the house. Al-masjidu, the mosque. Ila al-masjidi, to the mosque. So hiwar, conversation. Teacher says, min aina anta, where are you from? So where are you from? When you want to say, you have to say from, where, you. That's the pattern in Arabic. Where are you from? We put the from first. Muhammad says, Ana min al-Yabani, I am from Japan. See, Yabani, kasra, because of the min. Also Mudarris says, wa min aina Ammarun, and where is Ammar from? Huwa min as-Sini, he is from China. So Mudarris says, wa min aina Hamidun, and where is Hamid from? Huwa min al-Hindi, he is from India. Mudarris asks, Aina Abbasun, where is Abbas? Now here is not about where is he from. Now he's asking, where is he? There's no min here. So Muhammad says kharaja. It means he went out. Now this is a verb alone. However, the verb has the pronoun inside it. So if you just put kharaja like that, the he is already there. He went out. So kharaja means to go out. So Mudarris asks, Aina dhahaba, where did he go? So Muhammad says dhahaba ila al-mudiri. He went to the principal. So principal has ending with kasra here because it's followed by ila, or it is preceded by ila. وَأَيْنَ ذَهَبَ عَلِيٌّ, and where did Ali go? ذَهَبَ إِلَى الْمِرْحَاضِ, he went to the toilet. Tamarin now based on this. So here أجب عن الأسئلة, answer the following questions. So when you want to ask where are you from, we're going to say من أين أنت. من أين أنت. So if you're, for example, if you're from India, you're going to say أنا من الهند. Are you from Philippines? أنت من الفلبيني. If you are, you say نعم أنا من الفلبيني. If not, you're going to say لا, and you're going to say your country's name. أنا من الهند. Who is from China? من من الصيني. من من الصيني. Who is from China? So if you look at the passage here, he says that عمار هو من الصيني. So we're going to say the answer is عمار من الصيني. من أين حامد? Where is Hamid from? So here he asks about Hamid. So المدرس من أين أنت محمد أنا من الياباني. طيب, here is given us Muhammad. There's no Hamid. He asks about Hamid. ومن أين حامد? So he says هو من الهندي. So we can say the answer as حامد من الهندي. أين ذهب عباس? Where did Abbas go to? So when the teacher asks أين Abbas, he says خرج. And أين ذهب? ذهب إلى المدير. So answer is Abbas ذهب إلى المدير. And أذهب علي إلى المدير. Did Ali go to the principal? So answer is لا. He didn't go to the principal, he went to the toilet. So we're going to say لا ذهب علي إلى المرحاض. Now this is to read the words with the correct ending. So as we said before, anything with the prepositions before kasra, if not dhamma. So this has no prepositions. Al-ghurfatu. Min comes min al-ghurfati. Min al-hammami. Al-mirhadu. Ila al-mirhadi. Al-yabanu. Al-filibinu. Min al-hindi. Ila al-sini. So when prepositions comes, we put the kasra. Now let's do another exercise. So let's read the English first and then the Arabic. Where is Fatima from? Min aina Fatimatu. Is Fatima is female? Fatimatu. She is from India. Hiya min al-Hindi. The teacher left the classroom and went to the principal. We're going to say خرج المدرس من الفصل وذهب إلى المدير. See the endings? Everything with the prepositions before it, we're going to put kasra. The businessman went to the shop. ذهب التاجر إلى الدكان. Businessman is the tajir. Hamid went out of the room and went to the toilet. So went out will be kharaja. We're going to put kharaja first. حامد من الغرفة. And went will be first. وذهب إلى الحمام. And went to the toilet. Who went out of the classroom? Who went out? So this is man. And went out is kharaja. Man kharaja. Now off is min. See, they both look the same. However, the first one is man and the second one is min. Man kharaja min al-fasli. The student went out of the school and went to the market. So went out is kharaja. Student is at-talibu of the school min al-madrasati and went to the market. وَذَهَبَ إِلَى السُّوقِ. So kharaja at-talibu min al-madrasati وَذَهَبَ إِلى السُّوقِ. Khadija is from China and Khalid is from Japan. We're going to say Khadijatu min as-Sini wa Khalidun min al-Yabani. As you can see, Khadija has only one dhamma and Khalid has two. Now this is to put the appropriate prepositions in the blank here. So we have min is from, ila, to, fi, in, and ala, on. So when you want to say the book is on the desk, we're going to say al-kitabu ala al-maktabi. On is ala. The student is in the classroom. At-talibu fil fasli. Hamid went to the university. We're gonna so it's dhahaba Hamidun ila al-jami'ati. The principal went out of the school. Kharaja al-mudiru min al-madrasati. Muhammad went to China from Japan. Dhahaba Muhammadun ila as-Sini min al-Yabani. And finally we have the kalimat jadida, new words. Al-madrasatu means school. Al-faslu, classroom. Al-hammamu, bathroom. Al-mirhadu, toilet. Al-matbakhu, kitchen. Al-ghurfatu, room. Al-jami'atu, university. Al-suqu, market. Al-yabanu, Japan. Al-sinu, China. Al-hindu, India. Al-filipinu, Philippines. Al-mudiru, principal. Dhahba is went. Kharaja, went out. And fi, ala, min, ila, they mean in, on, from, and to respectively. Min huruf al-jar, they are from the prepositions.